In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add falling three methods, bearish, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to add the falling three methods, bearish pattern indicator to your Tradingview chart, and I'll give you some helpful context along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market and time frame you want to analyze already selected. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the top toolbar, and it might be labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main Indicators window, where you can search for and add any built-in or custom tools to your chart. Inside the Indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click in that search bar and type the word 3. Just the word 3 is usually enough to bring up all the patterns and tools that contain that term in their names. Give it a second and a drop-down list will appear with matching indicators. From that list, look specifically for the one called Falling Three Methods Bearish. This is a candlestick pattern indicator designed to automatically highlight the Falling Three Methods Bearish continuation pattern on your chart. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it one time. As soon as you do, Tradingview will add it to your active chart. You should now see markings or labels wherever the Falling Three Methods Bearish pattern appears, depending on how the indicator is designed to display. If you want to fine-tune it a bit, you can usually hover over the indicator's name in the chart's legend and open its settings. There, you can adjust things like colors or visibility to make it easier to read alongside your other tools. Remember, this indicator is just one part of your trading toolkit. It's best used together with your overall strategy, risk management, and other forms of analysis, not as a standalone signal. Finally, if you're planning to use Tradingview more seriously and want additional features like more indicators per chart or multiple layouts, consider upgrading to a paid plan using the affiliate link in the video description. It's a great way to unlock more tools for your analysis and support the channel at the same time. That's all you need to add the Falling Three Methods Bearish pattern on Tradingview quickly and easily.